Hello guys, welcome to my app named Key Electronia where you can search for the best electronic deals. In this app you can search for items using search bar or we can search for it by brand. We can also look for individual items if we are not sure about what products we want to buy. All the products available are listed here. Now let's click on the details button. Here you can see a slideshow of product images, also the brief description about the product and the quantity of product you want to add. And we can add the product to the cart. Now the product has already been added to the cart. Let's go to the cart and see. The item has been added to our shopping cart. You can see the price and the quantity of the item. You can also see the total number of items and the total cost. We can check out by clicking on the checkout button or delete the item from the cart by clicking on the cross sign. Now let's go back to our home page. Let's click on a brand and click on the detail page of the product. This will open the description page with all the details of the product. Let's add this to the cart. If we click on Go to Cart, we can see the product has been successfully added. Now let's go back to our home page again. These brands can be added from the admin section of the app. Let's have a look at the admin section. This is the admin section of the app. We have three different options available. We can check for orders, we can add new products, we can add new brands. Let's add a new brand. To add a brand image, we click on the picture holder and navigate to the directory where we have the image saved, and then select the logo from the directory. We can write the brand name or the company name in the text box provided. Click on Add Brand. We can see now that a new brand has been added along with the list of existing brands. We can also check the Firebase database to see that the new brand has been added. Now let's see how we can add a new product. Here we can write the product name. I'm writing Fine X5 Pro. The product description, which I'm pasting it from the Google, and the product price, which is 1050. Here we can also select a brand, so it's Oppo, and select the main image. This image is shown along with the products everywhere. We can also add additional images which are shown in the description page as a slideshow. We can add as many images as we like, but here I'm selecting only 3. Now we can click to the Add New Product to add this product. The product is being uploaded and we can see a toast message as soon as it's uploaded. The product has been uploaded to Firebase. Now let's check it on the Firebase. We can see that it has already been added. Now we can see the product brand, the cover image, the product description, product ID, product images, and the product name and its price. Now let's go back to our main app again. As you can see, the Oppo brand has already been added, and also the product has also been added over here. So let's go to the detail. After clicking it on detail, we can see everything has been added and we've added to cart. So we can also go to the cart. Here we can see all the products added. We can see the total price, and let's go to the checkout this time. The app will ask us to log in before checking out. If we don't have an account, we can sign up. The sign up is deliberately made easy. We just need a username and a mobile phone number, and we can sign up using these details. After clicking the sign up button, the user has been successfully added, and we can see a toast message saying it's registered. If we just click on the login button, it's gonna show you the error message. So we add the phone number that we registered and click on the login button. Now it's gonna send you the OTP to the registered mobile number. Now let's add the OTP that we have received in our mobile. After clicking on the verify OTP, it's gonna verify us and take you back to the shopping cart. Now after clicking on the checkout button, it's gonna ask you the billing details. So let's write our full name. I'm writing down my name and the first line address. Now if we try to proceed, it will show us an toast message as error, as all the fields are not filled in. All the details are mandatory except for the second line of address. The validation is implemented for all the fields throughout the app. Let's enter the credit card details. I tried to implement a payment gateway for Temu payments, but I wasn't successful, so it's not working. We just entered the credit card number, the expiry date, and the CVV, and proceed to checkout. We can see now that the order has been successfully placed. Now let's go back to our shopping cart and we can see that the basket is clear. After placing the order, now let's go back to our Firebase database. Let's take the order that we have placed here. Now we can see that the product Find X5 Pro has been ordered by username Namira, and same goes with Galaxy S22. Now if we see in the order section in our app, we can see both of the items had been ordered. Go back to the admin panel and see the order details. Here we can see the both of the products has been added along with some other previously ordered items. In the order section of the app, the user can only see the item ordered by them, but the admin section has all the orders. Now we can double check on database that these two products has been ordered by Namira. Let's cancel one product and ship the other product. Now we can see a relevant toast message. And we can see in the database that one has been cancelled and the other one has been shipped. Let's go back to our user app and let's just refresh it. After refreshing, we can see the update of the products. Now let's go back to our admin app and refresh it again. Now we can see we have just delivered option for the Oppo phone. After clicking, we can see that it has been updated, and when we go back to our database, we can see the status it has been delivered. Now we go back to order details again. We can see the item has been delivered and we can't do any further changes. Now let's go back to our main app again. Now let's click on the Apple product and we can see all the product listed for Apple. Let's add this MacBook Pro to the cart. Let's go to the cart and we can see it has been added. Let's see the RoomDB database implementation here. Here we can see that we have the products table along with the product ID, product name, product price, and product image. These are the 4 fields that we show for the item in the checkout page. If we click on live updates, we can monitor the changes in real time. Now let's have a look at the wireframe diagrams of my app. These are the wireframes that I have designed before making the app. And these are the screenshots that I have taken from the app, and you can see that there is not so much difference between the wireframe and the actual app. That's all for the presentation. Thank you.